Good morning to all of you. I am Srishti in front of you to clear the concept on the topic of narration. After listening my topic, a question is arising in your mind that what is narration? Narration is the act of reporting the words of a speaker. Means how can it represent the persons of a way of a speaker? There are mainly two types of narration. First is direct speech, second is indirect speech. Second is indirect speech. The words which are quoted in inverted commas is called direct speech, or we can say that when we express our views directly, it's called direct speech. Second one is indirect speech. The words which are not quoted in inverted commas, or we can say that the words which express their views indirectly is called indirect speech. Mainly, there are two types of direct speech. First is reporting verb, second is reported speech. First is reporting verb, second is reported speech. Firstly, reporting verb. Reporting verb is introduced the reported speech, and the reported verb. The reported word is introduced. The reporting verb means the exact words of a speaker is quoted in inverted commas. Now, we take an example to show what is reported speech and what is reporting verb. First, it is very hot in Allahabad. These words are quoted in inverted commas. It is reported speech. And she says it is very hot in Allahabad. Here she says it is reporting verb. Here she says is reporting verb. I will get my points. Now we learned about the steps how to change direct speech into indirect speech. There are 6 steps. First is identification. Second is change of reporting verb. Third is replaced of the inverted commas. Fourth is change of pronoun. Fifth is change of tense. And last one is change the words of nearness to change the words of remoteness. Words of nearness into the words of remoteness. Now we learned these steps one by one. In first step, we learned about 5 things. First is subject, second is object, third is change of reporting verb, fourth is when the reporting verb is in past tense, then what is tense. In second sentence, we learned about change of reporting verb. First is said is changed into said, said to is changed into told, say to is changed into tell. These are some examples how we can change. says to is changed into tells. We remind that we take an example. He says, here says is changed into says. These are reporting verbs. We can change in through an examples. Now third is replace the inverted commas. There are some conjunctions we use to replace the inverted commas. Like simple sentence, when the simple sentence is in that we put here that, and then imperative sentences if, and because is used in optative sentences, and WH words is used in exclamatory sentences. Are you got my points? Now we learnt about fourth step. First step is change of pronoun. In this step, we learnt about how the subject object is changed. Subject is changed according to first person. Object is changed according to second person. And third person is no remain change. Now we talk about next sentence, which is change of tense. In this step, we learnt about that present is changed into past, past is changed into perfect. We learnt about some examples like as first form is changed into second form is changed into had plus third form. And second example is MR is changed into was were. These are changed like that. And was were is changed into had been plus third form. These are some examples to change of tense. Last step is change the words of nearness into the words of remoteness. We take some example. That's then, now is changed into then. Here now shows the nearness of the words and then shows the distance. Just is also changed in then. Today changed in that day. Tomorrow is changed in the next day, and many more. I will get my points. Yes. Now we take an example and use this all 6 steps in that example. Example is that she said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am playing with you then. Now, sorry. We use first step in this. We here I is subject and you is object. She is first person, me is second person. And according to second, change of reporting verb. Here said to is changed into told. According to third step, replace the inverted commas. Here this sentence is simple, so we changed here, put here that. And according to first step, change of pronoun. First person is changed according to the subject, second person is changed according to the object. And according to change of tense, fifth step, here this sentence is in present continuous tense. and we'll use here last step, change the words of nearest in the change of words remoteness. According to the fifth step, this is changed into was playing, and now is changed into then. Now the outcome is of indirect speech. She told me that she was playing with me then. Are you all got my points? Yes. I hope you learn from my topic something. Thank you. Have a nice day.